Okay, so if you guys face the common problem that happens with these CBRs, if you just turn the ignition on and if you look at the lights, you see that at least one of them should be on and it's not. Now, if you go and press the ignition button a little bit, make sure that your pump is off. As you can see, the light is on, now it's off, now it's on, now it's off. So it is actually not a fuse issue, it is actually the startup switch that most likely the electrical contacts needs cleaning. All right, so what you need to do is you need to unscrew a screw here on this side and one on this side, so then you can open the housing. And once you've opened the housing, you will actually have to, let's see if I can get you guys to see, take off a screw that's here at the back of it. See if I can point it out. There it is. This little bugger. That one holds this plate, this entire plate here. Then what you need to do is literally unscrew a button, another screw that's right there at the bottom, so you guys can see. Either way, I was going to show you when I take this off. And then once that is taken off, you can actually push the entire button assembly out. And you'll be able then to do the contact cleaning. So we'll take the switch off and put it on the bench and work on it. Now, on a side note, if you do think it's actually a fuse issue, you can actually go and check where the fuses are. And on the CBR 600 from 2006, it is here on the side. So you need to take the fairing, the side panel off. It's this little box here. And once you flip the cover, you will see an indication of what the fuses are. So as you can see, usually the lights are the first one, which is a 20 amp one. So if you just open a little box out, you'll see your fuses here. This one is for the lights. So if you just want to double check, you can try and pry it off. Come on. But as you can see, this one is still good. Therefore, it's not the lights. And now I'm going to remove the switch and then we'll do some cleaning and hopefully this will work. Okay, so here you can see the contacts are actually quite dirty, and to do that we're going to use a electrical contact cleaner. So give it a couple of squirts and then use a little toothbrush to clean the rest of it, and hopefully we'll get our problem solved. Okay, now let's do the same thing on the one that's attached to the handlebars and then reassemble everything. Okay, now that all is clean, we just have to do the opposite, which is assemble everything back. And first we're going to start with the switch. Okay, now that we can see that the button's in place and doesn't get stuck anymore, let's see the moment of truth. It actually lights up. So I'm just going to turn the key on, and there you go. Now with the fuel pump off, if I press the ignition, there you go. Now the only thing you need to do is just put all the screws back in a reverse order, and we're good to go. Okay, all done. Now just turn everything on again. As you can see, lights on and lights off. So see you all next week.